Alright, today we're doing a review of the Siwin Gyozas. These are pork and beef vegetables. I got these at COSTCO, and check it out. They're on sale. Take a look at the ingredients. Here's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. We're going to cook it up. I'm just going to boil them up and then do a quick taste test for you. So, there we go. That's the ingredients. Alright, I'm going to cook it up. I'll be back. Stay tuned, guys. So here are the dumplings all cooked up. So we're going to do a quick taste test. Let me just grab one of these. There it is right there. Taste wise, they're actually pretty good. You can sear them in a pan if you want. I just found that cooking it, boiling them is just quicker. Yeah, the flavor comes out. It does come with some dipping sauces, that sort of vinaigrette sort of dipping sauce. So it's actually pretty good. Definitely check it out, guys. Any questions, comments, as well, subscribe to the channel. And well, there's a lot of cabbage and like texture in there too. So tastes pretty good.